Hello all. Today we are going to see a case study in additive manufacturing. So in this case, the veterinary surgery for a dog is done by using by replacing the additive manufactured part. So let us move on to the case study. So the challenge here is a Bernese mountain dog, which is uh, suffered from tumor on its left side of its maxilla, that is the upper jaw. This tumor should be this tumor should be removed. That is the upper left side jaw should be replaced. Else the tumor could spread and it could affect the life of the dog. So in order to replace the left upper jaw of the dog, if we go for the conventional manufacturer, the conventional manufacturer will take some time. For example, the measurement of the jaw measurement of the dog to be taken, and from the jaw measurement of the dog, the CAD model is to be created, or the drawing file is to be created. After the drawing, then the conventional manufacturing can be done. So this could take some time. So in order to protect the dog from the tumor. This will take some time, and the curing time for the dog after that is after surgery will also plays a vital role in the dog's life. So this cannot be done in a short span of time. So the here the doctors and the institute planned to replace the left upper jaw by means of the additive manufactured part. So they have approached Renisha. So Renisha is a manufacturer of the 3D printed parts. So here this hospital is located in Canada, and they ordered a titanium maxillofacial implant for the dog. So this titanium based component is modeled 3D model, and it was generated, and the model was used to design the custom implant to with the input of Dr. Liptak. So he is the doctor who is doing surgery for the dog, Bernese mountain dog. So this 3D model part is manufactured, and able to get the manufactured part within a short span of time by using the 3D printed process. So this resulted this design and manufacture of the implant took only 2 weeks of time. That is what the result. In this particular case, the dog was suffering with the ongoing tumor growth. So if the implant had taken too long to be produced, it would have no longer been fit for the purpose, as the affected area would have also grown. So that is also one of the difficulty for the doctors. So hence they started to approach the additive manufacturer, that is Redisha, and they manufactured the left upper jaw for the dog, and they are replaced within the week. Within 2 weeks. So hence the implant had similar shape and functionality of the dog's existing bone structure. Using additive manufacturing, they maintain the original shape and function of the oral nasal cavity, which ensure a high quality of life for the dog. So this saved the life of the dog, and through this case we come to conclude that this additive manufacturing is one of the effective manufacturing technique which helps to produce parts in a time bound application, and also for biomedical applications. So through this case, this application of additive manufacturing helps to survive a dog's life. So this is a very good technique, and the recent technologies have showed that many implants are nowadays in, uh, 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 operated inside a human body also. So that's it about the case, and we will look into the next case in the upcoming videos. Thank you.